4, 5, 6, rolling, roll, 2, 3, reverse, in 1, 2, 3, to the left, left, right, left, sway, left, right. Woo, it's getting hot already. Hey, roll, reverse, last reverse. Woo, nice. Walk it. Yes. The back. Twist. Twist. The front. Yes. Twist. Combine. 1, 2, 3. Go. In 1. Rolling. Reverse. Left. Left. Right. Left. Left. Rolling. Reverse. Yes, finally. Front. Front. Back. Twist. Last time. Move. There we go, everybody. Hey. Awesome. And just step it. Step. 2, 3. Feel the beats. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and just say inhale. Exhale. Good. All right, ladies. Let's start some basics. Okay. Try to follow and remember the step. Feet together. Yes. There we go. Do I have full lead my chin? No, right. Feel something. Stay here and we make a circle. Up, round, big, push, push front and back. 4 more. Let's go. Make a round. Woo! Now move here. Yes. Hands. Rolling. Hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Roll. 2, 3. Hey. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Right, left, right. Very good. Right foot forward. Rolling outside. Switch. Rolling outside. Switch. Rolling outside. Woo! Hold your arms. Hold your arms. Yes. There we go. Stamp out. 1. Allez. 1. 2 more times. 1 last time. Yes, Lisa. Woo! We stay here. Hands crossed. There we go. 1 foot forward. We wave. We wave. We face here. We twist. Twist. This side. Wave. Wave. Twist. Twist. Yes, inhale. Okay, that's gonna be a drill. Alright, follow. 4. And we step. There we go. Woo, it's getting hot. 2 more times. Slow with the beat. Yes, that's right. Slowing with the music. We have forward, back, inside, forward, back, inside, forward, back, to the back, to the back, to the back. The other back, holding the other back. To the front. Rosemary, you got it. Rosemary knows where is the back. Just go. Just go. Okay, and we go. In rolling, big circle. Yes. Boom. Right, left, right, left. Rolling, big circle. Woo! And right, Switch side. Rolling. Yes. Stay. Switch. Again. Swing up here. Woo! 2 more. One last time. Yes, everybody. Here we go. Up. Waving. Waving. Waving.
Well done, everyone. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, and repeat again. Come and join us for more classes online for beginners and all levels. And release all the stress one last time. There you go.
And Maululu, loud and clear. 3, 2,